so much. Welcome.
Senator McCaul. Senator McCaul,
Yes, sir.
what is your purpose of visit?
Our purpose is to meet with His Holiness to talk about the bill that we passed and how it's going to change the policy of the United States towards Tibet, and that we stand with the people of Tibet. And we want to hear about his vision as he gets older about who will be his successor.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
When can we expect the bill act to sign into law?
Any day, any day.
So what are your expectations? Meeting is tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm honored that he's going to meet with us, and I'm looking forward to being inspired. I'm so happy to be here with my wife.
Thank you. This way.
Just honored to be here to meet the Dalai Lama. It is my great pleasure.
Senator.